we've got our closed cell foam sprayed in all the nooks and crannies. We went ahead and put our batting insulation in. And our final step as far as the tub goes, as far as insulation goes, we had our bubble wrap insulation. I've already taken and cut these aside so they fit nice and firm right in the cavities. I'm just simply going to take that to the top and staple it in. Take it to the top over here. Lay it nice. Get it stapled. That's all it takes. Now we've created a nice barrier. Good foam inside, batting foam, and then our last line of defense before the cover goes on is this bubble wrap for superior insulation.